What's up, y'all? In today's video I'm going to be reviewing these Dr. Wellness capsules that I have been using. If you have seen any of my previous videos, you know that I have been struggling with my skin for some reason. Like, I don't know if it's, I'm trying to get to the bottom of it. I don't know if it's stress, I don't know if it's hormonal changes, I don't know if it's what it is, but nonetheless I've been struggling with my skin. And so I'm trying to repair my skin, and I did a video showing my routine to get rid of acne, and I had these in here, but I thought I was creating a separate video just reviewing these alone because they have been working. So these are the Dr. Wellness Vitamin E Serum Capsules. It was 90 in the, it's 90 in here. It says it's for healthy, radiant skin for all skin types. And I got these from Marshall's if you didn't see that video. But I wanted to review this because I hadn't been using these very long when I filmed the initial video. And now I've been using them for about 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. And I really do feel like they're helping my skin. So just a recap of my skin issues. So I got a little bit of foundation on right now, but these little textured bumps right here. So underneath, because I don't have that much like foundation on, just like a little light. And so it's going away, so I don't think I'm like struggling from adult acne or anything. I think it's like hormonal changes and things like that. That's for another video. But the point is, I have these, once the bumps go away, I have these little dark marks on my face, and this is where this has been coming in. So if you don't know, vitamin E in general is supposed to help like even out your skin. It's really good for that. And so when I found these in Marshall's, or TJ Maxx, I'm sorry, I think they were $4.50. The thing is, the label is like faded now, so it has a red label because it was clearance. So I'm pretty sure it was $4.50, I believe. So I was like, why not? It's very affordable. So I've been using these on my skin twice a day. So once I do my morning face wash, face routine, I'll put one of these on. And then I'll do one at night after I do my skincare routine at night. One, when I put it on, my skin is glowing. Like, it looks like I got a facial. So it's like really light. It's just a little capsule. It's just a little capsule that you put on. And I'm sure a lot of people have seen like little capsules, little serums. But these are the little capsules. And you just like twist the top off right here. You twist the top off and then you like pour it out. It's like a little bit of liquid vitamin E. And you just put it out, you put on your skin. Usually one capsule, to be honest. I don't need the whole thing on my skin, on my face, because it's a lot. This little capsule has a lot, and I think when I put the whole thing on my face just looks too oily. Like, I don't need the whole thing. So what I'll typically do is, like, somebody might have noticed this in my previous videos, I have like a little burn right here from flat ironing my hair. I'm sure some people can relate. Like, I mean, it happens. So what I'll do is put some on my face, and then whatever is left I'll put like on my little scar right here, because I want this to heal too. And vitamin E, like I said, is good for evening out your skin tone. But my skin has really been clearing up. I'm going to do a video, like another bare face video really soon, to show y'all the progress on how my skin is coming along. But I can really see the difference with my dark marks fading. And I feel like, I don't know how many I've used, but it was 90 in here, and I think by the time I'm done with the bottle, I feel like all of my dark marks will be gone, and hopefully my hormonal changes are done with by then, so I don't have to worry about the bumps keep appearing, and then just like the same cycle of having the bump, getting rid of it, having a dark mark, and having to like go in with the vitamin E. So I think yeah, I just wanted to share these with y'all, because if I can find something that I think works for me and my issue, I'm gonna share it with y'all to see, one, what y'all think about it, and if y'all have used it, and just to kind of recommend it. if I do like it. So I might call this another, like I might add this video into my World's Best series, which is, if you haven't seen, it's just World's Best Things, like me reviewing certain products that I use or that were recommended to me, or that I think other people might be looking into, so I could just share my opinion and give y'all my insight so you can make a buying decision if you want to buy it. If you don't, this video, as I mentioned, I bought this myself. None of these World's Best videos are sponsored. I will let y'all know if something is sponsored. But yeah, I'm buying this with my own money because I'm having certain issues that I want to solve, and I'm attempting to do that. So I felt like this video, this product deserved its own video because it works. It's worked for me. Please let me know in the comment section if anybody has used this before and if it's worked for them, or if for some reason you had a bad experience with these capsules. But to me, it's straightforward. All it is vitamin E. That's it. No other ingredients. And I will read to y'all what the instruction says. To use, gently twist the tab around the serum until the serum is visible and squeeze onto fingertips. Spread serum evenly over face and neck nightly for best results. Capsules are single use. So this says nightly. I use them during the day and at night, so I use it twice a day. It says for single use, right? So when I say one capsule is like a little bit too much for me, you shouldn't just take half, you know, use half on your skin and then save the rest for later, because I feel like that's not, I don't know, you just shouldn't let it sit open. It's intended to be closed, open, and just use and throw the little thing away, the empty capsule away. So that's why I typically, whatever is left over, I would just like use on my scar or maybe like some stretch marks. So if you go to your local TJ Maxx or Marshalls, you might find them, you might not, because those stores, like sometimes they'll carry the same brand over time, sometimes they might swap out or they may not reorder. But y'all, these are really good. I really like them. I was like, let me share this because it works. It works for me. I mean, it's vitamin E. You can get vitamin E in any product. You can buy vitamin E anywhere, but I really do like these capsules because it's like helping you monitor the amount that you need, and like track how many you need for your face and over time and stuff like that. So I really like these, and I also think it's just cute and aesthetic, like sitting on my in my bathroom. And yeah, I just was like, this is working for me, so let me share this with my people on YouTube. And I really like these. So is this the World's Best serum to like clear up your dark marks? I don't know, but it's really good and it's working for me. So yeah, I think that's all I have for this video. Thanks so much for watching. I feel like this is gonna be a short one, but I had to put y'all onto these and let y'all know that they've been working for me. I'm gonna keep using them. It's been, again, like 2.5 weeks, and I think I need to, what I'll probably do after this video is take, like when I wash my face, just take a picture, and then maybe in about, I don't know, a month, I'll come back and then let y'all know, like, or show y'all the before and after, because I haven't really taken a before and after picture. I just like have been looking at my skin. So I will do that, and I will see y'all in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and